you have those two screws T20, which are located at the bottom of the door panel, and they're visible. The next thing, you can pop up one, there is one more, 2, 3, and then 4 clips on the bottom. The next step is to remove that panel. You start from this side with some sharp plastic priming bar, and slowly that side until pop up completely. And here we have another 2 screws T20. Once you remove those, you can pop up. There are clips right here and here, and then you remove the door upwards and then towards you. Let me show you. Disconnect the wire harness, press and slide that. Our next step is to remove that plastic trim piece right here, only the black one. Let's do it right here, where it's opened the most. Here. Try to do it by one hand. Oh. Okay, of course, you need to keep the door open, handle open, so that's it. Okay, and we have surprise, one more T20. Let me remove that and I will get back to you. Okay, that one is a little bit bigger than the rest. Okay guys, so we catch it right here and then pull like this, pull, and then up, and that's it. Now we're gonna free up that cable, and the trim piece is out. Thanks for watching.